much to break it up. This is such beautiful crab meat. A half a cup of panko breadcrumbs. The panko and the egg will bind my sliders together. So I'm going to mix this up.